How to design a BESS factory layout. Want to know why some BESS factories achieve higher productivity, lower costs, and faster scalability than others? It all starts with the factory layout. A factory layout isn't just about placing machines. It's about creating a smooth flow of materials, people, and information. The first step is mapping your manufacturing process, from incoming cells to finished packs. One of the biggest mistakes is excessive material movement. Every unnecessary movement adds time, labor, and cost. A well-designed BESS factory includes dedicated zones for cell storage, assembly, testing, warehousing, and container integration. Don't just design for today's capacity. Design for future expansion, safe material handling, and emergency access. Modern BESS factories combine automation, AGVs, and MES systems to improve traceability and efficiency. The best BESS factories are not built around machines, they're built around optimized workflow. At Semco Infratech, we help manufacturers design complete BESS facilities, from factory layout planning to equipment selection and line integration. Before you finalize your BESS plant, talk to Semco. A smarter layout today can save millions tomorrow. Semco Infratech, building future-ready BESS factories.